Alright folks, this is history being created. I'm a big man, big man, and it's the first I'm actually going to be pulling one of these. Now back home in Jamaica, you only get this Christmas time when barrel come. And then after it done, your grandmother full you up a needle and thread and all these things. And you only can get one hour, maybe 2 out of it. As a little boy growing up. And see you now, I can come and can myself. Man, just go buy one for myself now. I don't know how you pull.
And just look forward, forward. Then coming out, probably need to get one knife or something.
I don't know how to pull it. Can you imagine? I love both of them, I love them, you know. I love them.
You still look forward to it and you get in a like white paper. But sometimes you don't get all right, because normally about 4 coming out.
About 4 coming out, but then
sometimes 2 you get.
2 you get 2. I have satisfied, especially when it's Christmas morning. You know, say like that. You know, see it every and get you one little glass bottle soda. You know? There. That's it.
It's a good feeling.
Very good feeling. Very good feeling. When I try and save this and free me.
That's true, man.
You know.
Voila. And first you actually see one full one?
First I see one full one. Nothing know if this come on top of it. This come on top of it like this come on. Wow. Wow. Just know say it come like this and then you know say it come in the little something.
Yeah, we know that, right?
But the one look different, the one
but they look thicker too.
The one look thicker, man. I saw they look different now. The one look like
the original one.
The same size. But even for the same brand, me no business.
Taste and tell you taste.
I always like them one here. With the glistening. I was like them one with the glistening pan. Watch it.
A sugar. Say the sugar. About the glistening.
No, the glistening. Me no business but they know say sugar. I just don't say it glistening. I said, it is sound and the break, oh God. Even if it change over years,
tastes good,
tastes good, same one.
Taste one.
And the one on thicker, the other one we have like two pan top and 2 on them. No, they're not bother with that. Not same. Why?
Okay, it's just the same.
It's the same. Yeah, man, it's the same. I can have it all to myself. You're not going to eat none. So it's fine. I'm going to have it all to myself. But the cookies?
Me have about 2. You know, I know what it was.
I love them. And then we can fill up a needle and thread like my granny when they're done.
Really? Who will use this needle and thread?
Don't worry about that.
Me don't like rubber crumbs though.
That's what I mean. It comes good. It comes to go and shake in the hand so.
That's why I'm getting the white paper.
Exactly.
And you look crumbs leave. You throw it out in the hand and lick it.
I start out with that and see me can how long I can go before it's done.
Alright.
Mine, all mine.
You put the plastic back on it?
No, this we can throw. It's alright.
Alright.